Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to have a fun challenge with my best friend Disha. So we're gonna try a lip color theory kind of a thing, in which we're gonna try some of her lipsticks and some of mine, and we're gonna see how it is on each of us, and we're gonna see how it looks. So also we're gonna be trying Disha's new sugar-free and gluten-free cookies in between, and we're gonna have some fun questions and we're gonna answer them. So without wasting more of time, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's see whose lipstick are we gonna start first from.
I think you should start your lipsticks first.
Okay, I think I'm gonna try this lipstick from Dior, and this is in the shade Rouge 200, and this is a lovely peachy color. So let's just swatch this and see. Tissues to remove
Why
the one.
Luckily,
Alright.
I haven't applied any lipstick.
Okay, first thing I'm gonna put it on and I'm gonna see. Okay, this is like really good, and I think I forgot how good this lipstick is.
I remember we went to buy this lipstick.
Yeah,
Long story, by the way.
this looks great. Okay, your turn.
I am.
No, you have to try the same thing.
Oh, like that.
Yeah, and I want to see how different
This
it
is
looks.
the Dior one. Just
And I have
trying
to see how
copy.
different it looks on your lips. You have to go and try that on your lips also.
I don't know.
No, you have to try the entire lipstick properly. You can't just dab.
I don't know how to apply.
See, it looks like much lighter on me and like very darker.
Very darker on me.
Yeah. But see, that's the color theory. That's
But it looks
how-
good, It actually looks
Yeah.
good.
I mean, I love it. I honestly love this one.
So
Oh, let's start with
I like
questions.
that
Let's start with
she-
questions with each
Yes.
lipstick that we,
I have
pick up.
three questions. So, they're very interesting questions we have, by the way. And I know they're going to be very fun answers. So, I'm going to
Okay,
ask you
Disha's
first.
prepared the whole questionnaire, so I have no idea what's going to be.
What is the question she doesn't know? Anyways, let's start.
But you also have to answer that question.
Yes, obviously.
Yes. Okay, fine.
What's the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened to you? I know hers, by the way. You can start.
Okay. It's not one embarrassing thing. I think
There are
there are a
lot.
lot
There are
of
lot.
embarrassing things.
But like, what is the
but-
most embarrassing thing?
On top of my head, I think one time during my college, I was, going to give an exam, and I thought कि कोई और paper है, but मैं कोई और का preparation करके चली गई, and there was a presentation. So when that presentation came, I was the first one actually to do it, and then I went on and I spoke something very different.
Oh my
And everyone's like, what is she talking? What is she? And I'm like so confidently talking, कि अरे ऐसा है ये. And then sir is like, wait, this is not the topic and this is not the exam that you're gonna give. So that was
The most embarrassing thing, I guess, of her was in her own Sangeet only. In her own Sangeet. We did this dance practice and she had no clue that we were going to mess it up. And in front of everybody, we let her dance around. And she was so embarrassed. By
so there was
that.
this one step that we all decided to do together, and
We backed off.
yeah, all of them backed off, and I was the only one doing that step, and I was so embarrassed at that
so
point, and I was so angry at all of them. What did y'all do?
Okay.
Okay, your embarrassing story. Come on.
My embarrassing story. Okay, so I was 12 or 11 and I was a little fatter than I am right now, by the way. And मैं वो टेबल रहता है ना,
हाँ.
वो जो नॉर्मल टेबल रहता है ना, अरे वो टेबल
हाँ,
वो
okay.
प्लास्टिक का,
Yeah.
तो मैं उस पर खड़ी हुई just to take something and मेरे वेट के वजह से टेबल टूट गया. By the way, let me clear it. टेबल literally टूटा.
Okay, now I have
Next.
to try the next lipstick. Now this is gonna be from your end, and you have to tell which one.
You're gonna try this one. This
Ah.
is the worth it, by the way.
I don't know. I wanted to try this for a very long time.
And she's gonna try.
It's your lipstick. You try first.
I'm gonna try first.
Yeah.
Yes. Can I look in the mirror?
No.
It's very weird to look in the camera.
You know your lips. You can just do it.
I don't know.
Oh, it's a lovely peach color. I love it. But I think it's gonna be very light on me because my
Yeah.
lips are not that.
I feel this is good. It looks good. And it feels good, by the way.
Not that bad.
It's really good. It looks nice. You were supposed to do braids.
Not bad. Come closer. It looks
Shit.
thoda sa
light on
darker. Yeah.
And it looks a little bit of darker on me.
Not bad,
It
but
is
like
good,
I
you know.
like it.
Yeah. I think we should try a red as well.
Okay. Next
Yes.
it would be my lipstick, which is also red. Along with answering the question.
Questions?
We have to put on the lipstick and answer
And
the
answer questions. So, what was your random talent or skill?
I think you want me to tell a funny one or like a normal one? I have a lot of skills
Any which is very random and you got to know recently.
that I can touch
Yeah.
my tongue to my nose.
I Ananya Pandey.
I wanted to do that for a long time. I can touch my tongue to my nose.
Nose. Like,
I actually can, but I don't want to do this because it looks very funny.
it looks bad.
Tell me yours. Your
Recent
Talent.
talent. Oh, I can sing. Like in a whistle. Yeah.
show.
Not your talent. I can't do it to the camera.
No, you have to show. This is very simple. You can.
That's it.
Okay, so this is the red from my collection. This is from MAC. It's in the shade Ruby Woo, and it's a very famous red. So let's just try on this.
This is the darker red or the
No, this is like a normal.
pinky red? Oh, it's too dark. I'm scared to apply this.
This is like a cherry red.
Cherry.
Oh my god!
It looks good.
You can just like smudge it in the end and.
I feel even if I've not applied any lipstick, my lips still look messy. Oh wow, loving the color.
Yeah, I mean, I hardly apply red, but I feel that the moment I apply red, my face just like goes like 10 times more brighter. That's what I get.
Okay. So the next question is, what is your
No, you have to apply that. Okay, okay, good. Cool.
what is your most treasured memory of our together?
Oh, when we
Think.
were. Okay, I remember this very well. This was at the time when we went at Little Flea and we were doing these making candle wala stuff.
We ran away.
I mean, those candles were so bad. I mean, we started making those candles and they smelled like really very bad. So we just left it there and we ran from there because it was
We ran.
yeah,
didn't
because
pay.
they charged so much.
And we had no clue about it.
Yeah, and they didn't tell us about this before. Like even when we asked, they didn't tell us. So then we just like ran.
Yeah, I feel even my
It was fun.
favorite memory of you was we went first time together to Kolaba Market.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And the flea market was the epic and the best time together of us. I mean, we need to go to more shopping. And
Okay, come closer for the lipstick. Oh, this is very
Yeah,
same.
very same. It's very same.
Oh, it is. I thought it's gonna be a little more dark on you, but
But
it
it's
looks
still
really
the
good.
same.
It genuinely looks really good.
है ना?
Yeah.
सारू लागे छे? Please speak in
Saru lage che ben.
good juice.
Yeah, we both are Gujaratis, so it is like we talk in Gujarati all the time.
We know how to bitch in Gujarati as well.
Yeah.
People don't understand very well.
Okay, we have to remove this like really good because like
Oh, yeah, I know.
this is not
It's
coming
not coming
out.
out.
So I'm back with the wet pipes. Right here it's from Shills and I really love the wet pipe. Okay, what's the next question, ma'am? And your next shade.
This is Givenchy, by the way, which is in the shade of intense silver.
It's
silk.
229. She
Sorry.
doesn't even know this. Oh my god.
I don't buy, bro. You know that I hardly buy lipsticks.
Okay, fine. This is like a nice, like
Yeah, it is very
pinky
silky.
peach.
It's very silky. You don't like the smell?
Ah. It's very smooth, like
It's
to
very-
apply.
It smells like ball pen. Being very honest with you.
I love this color. Oh my god. This is like
It looks good. Yeah. So my next question is.
more. हाँ. मुझे पे थोड़ा सा मतलब मेरे पे थोड़ा ज्यादा ब्राइट लग रहा है.
मेरे में थोड़ा डल लग रहा है. वही कलर सेम डल लग रहा है.
Why do you buy them?
Your next question is, if your life was a movie, what would the title be? You know mine. I want to know yours.
I would say title. So I have to take it from the movie itself.
No,
I have
no,
to say?
like any, like अगर तेरी जिंदगी एक पिक्चर होती, तो तू वो टाइटल क्या रखती वो चीज? तेरी पिक्चर का टाइटल क्या रखती? That's what I mean.
This is a weird question. Okay, movie.
It's a very fun question. By the way. People
It
are really-
is. Okay, first you answer because I need to think of it.
Life is very unfair. Unfortunately, you know that very well. Life is unfair. You got mine. I need to know yours.
What do I say? ये जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा is what my life would like say.
I'm just gonna give her that look. Very cheesy. Very
Yeah,
cheesy.
but it is like that. जिंदगी नहीं मिलेगी दोबारा. So I want to live it to the fullest and I want to enjoy. So that's how I am. So I think if my life would be, I think with all the troubles and everything, me getting to that one trip is like
Nothing
my
to
thing.
know.
So I think yeah, that would
So
be.
now let's go to the other shade, which is
From my side,
From
which
Sanshi's
would
side.
be is a gloss from
Tint Cosmetics.
lip gloss from Tint Cosmetics. It's in the shade Honey. You remember I got this from the flea market. That
You were
we
literally like
went
दे दो
together.
हमें, दे दो फ्री में दे दो हमें तो.
This is like a very nice.
Okay, your next question is, by the way, if we could travel anywhere in the world together, where would you want to go?
Paris.
मेरी शक्ल दिख रही है तेरे को?
Why? Paris is so good. It's
so
my favorite
cheesy.
place.
It is so cheesy place.
It's
I don't
the
understand.
fashion capital for shopping or going anywhere. It's the best. You have the best pizzas. You have
That's it.
no. You
That's-
have.
Stop
you,
it. That's it. I feel, I mean, why? Like,
Okay, you tell me where would
where would I go? Greece.
oh
Greece.
Okay, that's my second favorite
I
destination.
love Greece.
Yeah, I would also. I mean, I want to have these cookies that is just called.
Those are sugar free, gluten free, and the
I want to
most
show
healthy.
you. This is how it looks like. It's so cute.
I've put chocolate
And
on
it
top
smells
for you.
like really good.
It's soft. So like for you. It's jaggery. Nice. You like it?
It's genuinely very good.
It's heavy. So this is Tint Cosmetics, which is very juicy, plummy. Order from my page. Sugar.
It's really
ये तो
good. Plus,
डालना भाई.
this you will never get such kind of cookies which are sugar free and gluten free and this tasty, you know.
Thank you, thank you. She's
Really
saying
good.
not just because she's my best friend, but honestly, do try.
I mean, you all can try. और अगर नहीं है तो पैसे वापस. I mean, that guarantee I can give.
ये लड़की देगी आपके पैसे वापस.
I mean, I'm saying it with guarantee. It's definitely very good.
Sponsor
Okay.
us someday.
So this is my most special lipstick that I have purchased, and
I mean, I might know the name.
okay, guess.
Dior.
No,
Louis Vuitton.
no,
Givenchy.
no.
The one we bought.
It's Chanel.
Oh,
It's
yes.
guys. It's the limited edition lipstick
Oh, I
from
remember.
Chanel.
I remember.
and this is like extremely close to my heart because it's very expensive.
I still remember this story so well. भाई हमको पागल कर दिया था ये बंदी
Okay,
ने.
this is the packaging and this is the color I chose. I mean,
That's red.
no, it's not as red as you think it's in the color. I mean, I'll just show you after like when I wear it. So it's
So this lipstick actually took us a lot of time to find, and when we got it, she was the happiest person alive on the earth. I remember Palladium mom.
because this is a very different kind of red, like
We
a
weren't getting the same.
like a
anyway.
orangish, pinkish.
Very tangy red. Tomato wala.
Not tomato, but like it's
Kind of.
like it's very pretty. Like it's for summer and
Very giving me beachy vibes.
yeah, I genuinely love this color and I don't think that this color has any match. Because it's so cute. You have to try this.
Yes, I am. If you could watch any movie for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Ye Jawani Hai Deewani.
Arey bhai, this girl and that movie.
I love that movie, and there are a lot of movies actually that I can watch like back to back, back to back. One has to be Ye Jawani Hai Deewani, that's my first, and second would be Jab We Met. It's like pure love.
This looks bad on me. This looks so bad. I don't like this.
It doesn't suit you because you are very fair, and I mean I think if you when you just like dab a little bit and then you just like put it like let first go close and let's just show.
So bad. I don't like this shit. No.
I mean I love it on myself. How does it look on me?
It looks good on you. It suits you. It doesn't suit me. Now we are gonna try my next most favorite lipstick. She knows it very well.
It's gonna without saying I'm gonna tell it's gonna be Velvet Teddy from MAC.
It is Velvet Teddy from MAC. I love Velvet Teddy.
Woo!
That's my most favorite.
I mean she loves this like she loves coffee.
Don't remind the story. Very nude, very subtle nude. It goes with anything. If you pair it with a good heavy liner or a good cheek tint and all, it goes so good in all of your outfits.
I mean it's very light.
I love it.
Me. I think it's little
It's
like
too light for her.
it's like washing me out.
It's too light for
Let's
you.
go a little closer. What do you think?
Light for you, good for me.
But I can make this work if I
Apply
pair
good
it up with some like
lip
good
liner.
brown lip liner and a nice
Yes.
gloss. So I think that's gonna work.
Okay, so the next question is actually, what was your favorite thing from your entire wedding schedule? Like, what was your favorite moment or any favorite memories you had from your haldi, sangeet, wedding, or mehndi, whatever?
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you one from each. Sangeet was the favorite memory also and the embarrassing memory
Yeah.
also. Together is that one dance that we all did together and you all ditched me for that.
You know who ditched it.
But you all of you all didn't do it. It doesn't matter who started.
You know whose plan it is.
Whoever's plan it was, but all of y'all didn't do it, and I had to do that step, and I was looking so stupid.
What are best friends for?
But that was also one of my favorite moments of Sangeet. Of my haldi, I think it has to be when Saurabh. I was stopping everyone that please मेरे को मत लगाओ, ज़्यादा मत लगाओ. And then Saurabh, suddenly gave a surprise and he walked in with like these dialogues and I don't know what, and then he just came and he like उसने पूरा वो उठाया हल्दी को पूरा मेरे मुंह पे उससे पूरा रगड़ दिया and then we like started fighting on stage and then I was like I added a lot of haldi on him and then he added on me and that's also there in the video when we were fighting with
We
haldi
all
and stuff.
girls were busy eating up there. We were just seeing.
None of them came to protect me.
We were
All of
eating.
them were just eating. So
We were just enjoying our foods.
देख लो और बोल रहे हैं what are best friends for. See.
What a best friend for? खाने के लिए तो आएंगे भाई हम तो.
And about my wedding, of course my favorite part was the Varmala and the entry.
I don't mind. I'm not going to say on the video. You know what? The waiter one. I can't say.
Okay, Okay, yeah, that's dramatic. Okay, but yeah, my favorite memory of the wedding was my Varmala. and
Yeah,
my
it was very
engagement.
pretty.
It
I
was
remember.
my dream that came into reality.
I remember me eating the starters and looking at you. That's all I
वहाँ भी
remember.
खा ही रहे और कुछ नहीं चल रहा.
हमें रोका गया था. समझ रही है तू? बस.
अभी तू बोल तेरा favorite.
My favorite was the Sangeet practices. Man, I loved Sangeet practices. Not the Sangeet instructor, but the practices. And I made really good friends. That was the best part. And then the haldi, we danced our heart out. Like, busy eating, dancing. इसको कुछ हो जाए हमें कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा था. We were just
देखो
dancing.
ऐसे होते हैं.
एंड संगीत में भी बहुत मतलब इसका परफॉर्मेंस स्पेशली द दुबई वीडियो वन वी हैड नो क्लू
I shot this pre-wedding video with me and Saurabh in Dubai. We shot
and
a
like
very-
her
we shot it-
parents, her family, everybody were dancing. That was like the cutest.
So we
moment.
shot it for like a Bollywood movie kind of a thing, and our vibe was that. So it's a very pretty.
That was really good actually. And then I feel
Of the wedding.
best thing of your wedding was the Varmala, especially, and your entry. I remember me holding the lehenga of your skirt. It was too heavy. And then it was so cute.
It was 12
very
kgs.
cute.
My lehenga was 12 kgs, and I was like about to die at the time of reception. So
My outfit was a mess in your wedding.
okay, the next
Next
lipstick
one
is this one, which is called Creme in Your Coffee from MAC, and I think this shade is sold out everywhere, but I managed to like get it. So yay!
Which is the shade?
It's called Creme in Your Coffee.
If it's good, I'm buying it. If it's not good, I'm not buying. I'm very picky about my lipsticks. The last we're gonna try is a gloss.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is like so good. Like I don't have a lip liner right now, but it goes
It
great
looks
with
good, it looks good.
brown lip liner.
Yeah. Very juicy. It looks juicy.
Yeah. And it's very comfortable wearing. Like it's not like, and it's very subtle and like nice. From your face, you're not liking it.
It looks so dark. I look like an auntie.
No.
After look. So, what is your favorite memory with Saurabh after the wedding? Personal question. Yes, start.
It's gonna be our honeymoon, of course, because
Thailand.
we went to Thailand and he took me to this really romantic dinner where he had like flowers and everything and like a date night prepared, and I was very surprised, and he like also had shopped for me from certain places and he got me gifts. So it was so cute, it was so good, and we had enjoyed and we had a great time.
I remember she going to Thailand. I was so jealous. I was so jealous. If I had a thing to come now, मैं तो इसके suitcase में बैठ जाती
I'm gonna give you one of my favorite glosses, which is
Favorite
Ta-da! This is from Fenty. It's in the shade
Booty.
Fussy Flex, and it's one of my favorite glosses after Riri stick.
Okay, so the next question is, what's something you've always wanted to learn or try but haven't yet?
This honestly smells like Alpenliebe.
That I will do when I'm applied.
Okay,
First
now-
answer my question.
Yeah, what was it?
What? Wait a minute, what was it? What's something you've always wanted to learn or try but you haven't yet?
I always wanted to learn martial arts, and I've not been able to.
I'm just a yellow belt. आता तो है नहीं.
But मुझे like I love to learn all of these kind of stuff, and I wasn't able to do it because because
beep 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 beep. That's it. Please understand.
because
if you
dot
understand.
dot.
Yeah, I hope you guys understand what she means. I always wanted to learn how to drive. I'm always the passenger princess. She knows it. I don't know how
And
to
I'm the
drive.
driver.
Yeah, she's the driver. Oh wow.
How does it smell? Does it smell like Alpenliebe? Please tell me yes.
Yes.
Yeah. The pink wala Alpenliebe and this taste. Ah. I always like to smell it like.
That is good.
Okay.
But
It's
This is
in
the
the
same?
shade. No, it's different. It's called Fuchsia Flex. It's again a Fenty gloss.
Raw.
Jokes during lipstick application are not acceptable.
Why? I'm making you laugh now. What is the
Because it's
problem?
gonna spread.
If you had a superpower, what would it be and how would you use it?
I wanna be invisible and trouble others.
भूत बन जा भाई.
No, I don't wanna be bhoota.
भूत ही बन
I
जा.
want that Mr. India वाला चाबी. जैसे ऐसे करो या or else. Oh, no, not this. I would want to eat my entire life and not be fat.
बादा रखा इसने पास्ता पे पहली बात तो और उसको खाना है.
हाँ, तो बाकी की चीजें तो है ना, एक नहीं है.
बर्गर भी बादा रखा है.
So burger and pasta के अलावा I can have pizzas, I can have fries, I can have chaat, and I can have like a lot of things.
Oh, it.
नाक में डाल.
Ah.
It's good.
It's nice.
It's like that very, like
Back दुखेगा
very juicy kind of.
Very juicy, but it's a pretty heavy gloss, I feel.
Okay, fine. So I think this, this is it, and I hope like
That's a wrap, guys. That's
it's a wrap, guys, and I hope that y'all had some fun and we were able to entertain y'all with
We'll come with
showing.
part 2, by the way.
Yes, and we were able to show you all the lip shades. And I think हमने सब mention करा हुआ है. So if you all wanna buy, I think you'll get it either on Nykaa
I
or
think you should write it on the
Sephora.
description.
Yeah, I probably will. Let me see. So yeah, this is it, guys. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Like and share, subscribe to
yes,
our channel.
keep loving us until
Meera
then.
promote kar.
Oh, and also her channel,
Mine.
which is Sugar.
Yes, it's on
And-
Instagram. Check it out. And
Yes,
do
she
try.
has some very delicious food and cakes and everything. So I would love for you all to check that out because it's
गिरा देती मेरे को अभी.
You're not letting me finish. Okay, bye. Okay, yeah, that's it now. Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.